Hey guys, an update on Bitcoin. Yeah, also here a pretty red day. We moved down here, and what I did is I did add fibs from this low to this high. Okay. But I'm not really sure with this structure. Okay, it's very overlappy. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna focus here locally because it's easier to analyze this and give like a better image to like what is your invalidation for the bulls and the bears. Okay. If we can manage to turn around from here, the focus for me stays on this box. What we will do, yeah, once we get here, do we find resistance at the 1-to-1 and go down, or can we push higher? Okay, for this still to be a 1-2-3, maybe this is gonna be like a multi 1-2 still here, and we're gonna turn around here later today. But for that, ideally we don't lose this low that we had here, okay, at 70,287. But if we ignore all of that, if we just start to analyze from here, from this top, if we want this to be a corrective move down, we want this to be a 3-wave move, okay? If we want to be bearish and we want to move, yeah, and take this larger low here, okay, and make a new low on the weekly chart, then we want this to be a 5-wave move to the downside, okay? So first things first, let's see how deep we went here. If I take fibs from this here to here, and then A, B, C potentially to here, we have now, yeah, moved to the 1.618, even past it maybe. Yep, we just wicked below it. So the 1.618 is still a target for a wave C if you want to label this an A, B, C, but yeah, it becomes also a target for a wave 3. So it can be that this is a wave 3, okay? And if I label this an A, B, we can also label this a 1, 2 in that case, okay? 3, 4, 5. But obviously you can see here after this move, 1, 2, we have like another 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, or maybe like 1, 2, 1, 2, okay? But at least you have this one, and then you have at least 2 more in here, okay? So that means if this is your third wave, that this price could grind down here in 4 5s, okay? Like this, 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 this. If price does that with, yeah, decreasing volume, okay, with overlap, creating a lower low on decreasing volume with maybe bullish divergence, we could look for a bounce from, yeah, this area here, okay? And for that, we have the point of control here at 70,450. Maybe we can grind down, and then from there we could get a bounce. Now that bounce is going to be important because that will be where we can pull fibs like this and say that, look, if we hit the 618, we invalidate a wave 4 here. As long as we don't hit the 618, it's possible that we make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside. If this pushes and hits this 618, we will confirm that this is an ABC and we're gonna move higher, okay? But of course, I need to take this one correctly. I took it from here now, because if this is your third, I don't think we have done this fourth wave yet. But ultimately, if you want to be conservative, we have to take it from here, because yeah, these are like multi 1-2s in here, and that's on the micro. Getting that one exactly is gonna be not so easy. It's easier to just take the obvious one, the 1-2, the main 1-2, and then this is gonna be your third. Maybe we get a few more pushes to the downside, but eventually we will get this bounce to the upside. I will adjust this fib level accordingly. If we move lower, I have to move this with it. But ultimately, for the bulls, you want to then take this level on the next leg to the upside, okay, to confirm that this is a 3-wave move to the downside. If price goes up and fails to reach that and makes one more low, we have a 5-wave move down, and then that can be an early indication that, look, we're gonna go down and we're gonna take this low here, and this will be labeled then as an ABC still, after which we make one more low. Okay, I hope that makes sense to you. It's a little bit much and in detail, but I think it's necessary. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.